What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with SpecTechular Gadgets. And if you remember a few videos back when I got my MacBook Air, I went ahead and gave it a new outfit. Remember? I actually really like this. Introducing Band-Aid skins. This first skin is pretty cool. It's called First Aid. As you guys see, it gives the device a hurt look and feel. It makes it look like it's been through some things. Let's see if the skin will allow for wireless charging. Placing this on the charger, we see that it does charge the device, so that is a thumbs up. Now that I have added the M5 iPad Pro, I want to give that a new look as well. Let's do this!
SpecTechular Gadgets.
This skin is called the University, so go ahead and check it out on the Fishskyn website. I spent $28 for this. This particular one is specifically for the iPad Pro 11-inch M4 and M5. This is my M5 iPad Pro, and before I even install the skin, I'm going to simply just wipe the back of this to remove any oil, dust, dirt, anything like that. Once I've finished wiping down the back, I'm going to apply the skin, and you're going to simply tear off a piece of the backing. But notice when I tear this off, what is that? Let me go ahead and reverse the clip for you. And what I want to tell you is that piece right there, you can also install that on the camera section. But in typical fashion, I decided not to, and you can do either or. And then you're simply going to line up the skin with the camera section first, and then slowly start applying and smoothing out the skin. Notice the steps that I'm using to apply the skin. Now that I have a part of the skin attached to the iPad, I'm going to go from the bottom corner and remove the rest of the backing. Once you do this, don't just allow the skin to apply itself to the iPad. What you want to do is use the backing to go section by section to apply the rest of the skin to the back of the iPad. Using this method allows for an easier redo of a smaller section, as well as prevents bubbles.
SpecTechular Gadgets.
I really like what Fishskyn has done with this University skin. I most definitely love the way it makes my devices look. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.